Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is an automated workflow system that works with your existing software technologies to increase engineering capacity. Global Edge is your engineering virtual assistant that is built around SolidWorks, and helps automate labor-intensive workflow tasks associated with the quoting, engineering and manufacturing workflow process. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is an automated workflow system that includes 8 key areas to increase engineering capacity. Automated Production Work Queue. Automated CAD Part Analysis. Automated Sheet Metal Batch Unfolding. Manufacturability Testing. Automated CAM, Program Generation. Automated Routing Generation. Automated Product Configuration. Automated Sales Quote Generation. Global Edge Engineering Assistant includes the automated generation of CAM bend programs for press brakes, panel benders, and robotic folders. This is accomplished with the complete importation and analysis of sheet metal CAD part parameters. These CAD part parameters include material, thickness, bend radius, flange sizes, and bend angles. This information is automatically embedded into the DXF flat files as extended data. As Global Edge generates the DXF flat files with extended data, those files are automatically placed in the proper network folder to be imported by the CAM bending software ready to generate the CAM bending program. Also included in the extended data DXF flat files is the proper tooling, which eliminates the need to manually generate CAM bending programs. Additionally, Global Edge Engineering Assistant will automatically determine the proper machine tool by matching the standard bend process and CAD part parameters with the machine tool parameters. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.